Probability and Statistics, Normal Distribution, Part 2. This is the second in a set of 4 videos dealing with the normal distribution on this channel. The first dealt with the introduction of the normal distribution, the standard normal distribution, and using the Z table to find probabilities. Now we're going to look at finding the Z value given the probability. If you're not familiar with the first video, rather have a look at that one first. Right, so now, instead of being given the probability and using the Z value to find the probability, now we're given the probability and we're finding the Z value. So, find A if the probability of Z is less than A is equal to 0.66640. So there we are, Z less than A, that's that section there. Now remember that this section here is 0.5, so the actual Z score will be this value minus that 0.5. Because there are two areas. So therefore we are actually looking at 0.16640 in the Z table. So in the Z table, there we found the 0.16640 and its opposite 0.43. Therefore A is the value of 0.43. Alright, so find A if Z is greater than A, probability of Z greater than A is 0.38590. So there we are. There it is there. The area is 0.38590. And we have to find the value of A there. So we actually need to find this area there. We know that's 0.5. Well, knowing that, because remember the Z score gives from 0 to there. So now we say 0.5 minus that to gives us that value there. So that now is the Z score here. That's the probability here for this Z score. So now we're going to go to the tables and look for 0.11409 and see what it corresponds to. 0.29. So A is 0.29. So find A if Z is less than A. Probability that Z is less than A is 0.35940. Now remember from the previous video, we're going to use the symmetry of the normal distribution to do this because the Z score to the Z table only gives positive values. So that area is 0.35940, which means that area there with A is 0.35940. That's 0.5, and therefore the area from 0 to A is the subtraction, there it is there. Which means in fact that we have A equal to 0.36. But in fact it's on a negative side, so therefore we must remember that A is now, that value there is negative 0.36.